Good morning, students. Welcome to my class. Baba. I used today news transition. Have you seen transition? Each slide there is transition. And topics. Today's topics is classical definition of oxidation and reduction reactions. This general definition. And another definition is electronic theory of oxidation reaction. Definition of oxidation reduction reaction depends on electronic theory. And oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction, and oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay, so at first is classical definition of oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. This is the classical definition of oxidation reaction. Hello student, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oxidation reaction, the reaction in which oxygen or electronegative element or group is added, gain, to an element or compound, or hydrogen or electropositive element or group is removed from a compound is called oxidation reaction. Okay, the reaction in which oxygen or electronegative element is added or hydrogen or electropositive element or group is removed, this reaction is called oxidation reaction. Okay, oxygen and electronegative element like chlorine, fluorine, bromine, electronegative element, or oxygen is gained or hydrogen or electropositive element is removed. In this type reaction is called oxidation reaction. Okay, like I am giving example on oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. Oh. That yeah. এটা নেওয়ারও দরকার কি ছিল, দরকার ছিল না, এটা নেওয়াটা দরকার ছিল না। So oxidation reaction means the reaction in which oxygen or electronegative element is gained or hydrogen or electropositive element is removed. This type reaction is called oxidation reaction. Like here this one, this is what happened in this reaction. This reaction is oxidation reaction because in this compound FeO, here Fe2O3. So what happened, this reaction is called oxidation reaction. Why? Why this reaction is
Because oxygen is adding.
Oxygen is added or gained. Okay, here aluminum and chlorine. From aluminum 3 chloride. Okay, this reaction, what type, why this is oxidation reaction? Why this reaction is oxidation?
Because this is electronegative element is added.
Electronegative element is gained. Here element aluminum, now two electronegative element chlorine is added. Okay, like this way, 4HCl. Gained আমার যেটা একদম মুখের কাছে মাইক্রোফোন চলে গেছে, এখন কি শোনা যায় ভালো?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, এখানে আমি হাইড্রোজেন কোথায় কি হয়, রিমুভড হয় দেখাই। এখানে ম্যাঙ্গানিজ অক্সাইড ফ্রম ম্যাঙ্গানিজ okay, this reaction here is a hydrogen, now from this compound hydrogen is removed from, so removal of hydrogen occurred, so it is a oxidation reaction. Now second type reaction is reduction reaction. The reaction in which addition of hydrogen or an electropositive element or group is added to an element or group, or removal of oxygen or other electronegative element or group is removed from a compound is called reduction reaction. So it is vice versa of oxidation reaction. Here is addition of hydrogen occur or electropositive element occur, and removal of oxygen and electronegative element is happened. So this is the reduction reaction. Reduction reaction which thing occur, hydrogen occur, addition of hydrogen added, hydrogen is added or electropositive element is added. So this is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction here. Reduction reaction which thing occur, hydrogen gain occur. Like this cuprous oxide, 2 hydrogen gain, hydrogen atom gain. Okay, this is arakta joge kise Ruhul take okay, this reaction is reduction reaction. Why this reaction is reduction reaction? Why this reaction is reduction?
Because hydrogen is added.
Hydrogen? No.
Is added.
Remove of oxygen occur. Remove of oxygen occur. This is the copper and oxygen. Now there is no copper, oxygen. So here removal of oxygen occur. Okay, this is
Yes, sir.
okay, this reaction bromine and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas form 2 hydrogen bromide. 2 hydrogen bromide is formed. This is reduction reaction. Why this is a reduction reaction?
Because hydrogen is added.
Hydrogen is
Added.
added. I added or gain. Hydrogen is added or gain. So this is the reduction. I have missing spelling. Shit. Spelling problem. Reduction reaction. Okay. Reduction reaction and okay. So next topics is today's definition. Easier class. I give assignment. What is oxidation reaction? Give example. What is reduction reaction? Give examples according to classical definition.
আচ্ছা স্যার নরমাল ডেফিনেশন আর ক্লাসিক্যাল ডেফিনেশনের মধ্যে ডিফারেন্স কি স্যার?
Classical definition means general, trivial definition. This now electronic theory, theory definition of oxidation reaction. Here, electron loss or gain occur. Depending on electron gain and loss, definition is given. This definition is called electronic theory of oxidation reaction. Okay. So here oxidation reaction depends on electronic theory. Oxidation is a process in which an atom or group of atoms taking part in chemical reaction loss of one or more electrons by losing one or more electrons. So oxidation reaction is a process in which an atom or group of atom or group of atoms taking part in a chemical reaction by losing one or more electrons. So in a oxidation reaction, loss of electron occurs. Okay. So oxidation reaction in which oxidation is a process in which atom or group of atoms taking part in chemical reaction losses one or more electrons. In a oxidation reaction, what happens? The loss of electrons result in the increase in the positive charge or decrease in negative charge of the species. Okay, I am showing this thing. What happened here in oxidation reaction? Loss of one or more electrons. Here, what happened? Loss of electrons result in the increase of positive charge. So oxidation reaction electronic theory, that electronic theory of oxidation, electronic definition hoite pare, electronic definition of oxidation. So here what happened? Loss of electrons occur. So sodium, why elements lost electron? Because they want to be stable. So sodium is outermost electron is one is even electrons. If it lost one electron, it becomes stable. So here loss of electron occur in this process. So this is a oxidation reaction. So the chemical reaction in which atom or group of atom lost electrons is called oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, what happen? Positive charge increases. Here positive charge 0. Now here positive charge is 1 positive charge after 1 positive. So what happen here? Oxidation reaction, positive charge increases Have you understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Electronic theory of oxidation. So what is and now reduction? Reduction is a process in which atom or group of atoms taking part in chemical reactions gain one or more electrons. So here electron gain occurs. One or more electrons is gained. The process is called reduction. The gain of electron result in the decrease of positive charge. Gain electron means decrease of positive charge. Like a positive, two positive charge become one positive charge. Two positive charge become zero charge. So here positive charge decreases or increase in the negative charge of the species occur. So here what happen? Gain of electrons occur in a reduction reaction. Gain of electrons occur. Electronic theory of reduction. If fluorine gain electron, what will be happened? Negative charge will increase. Huh? Negative charge will increase. So one negative charge will increase. So gain of electrons is called reduction. Here negative charge increases or positive charge decreases. Like positive charge 0, now 1 positive charge, no 0 positive charge, now minus 0 positive charge, or 0 positive charge or minus 1 positive charge. Negative charge increases or positive charge decreases. Okay, so this is the reduction reaction.
স্যার এখানে তো সেম সেম স্যার, একটা পজিটিভ একটা নেগেটিভ, দেন এখানে নেগেটিভ ইনক্রিজ কিভাবে হলো?
What? Fluorine 0 neutral.
Yes.
It gain one electron become fluoride. So here charge is 0 charge and minus negative 1. One negative charge increases. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, simultaneous occurrence of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation reduction reaction occur simultaneously. If in a chemical reaction, if oxidation reaction occur, you must see reduction reaction occur. If you see reduction reaction occur, you will must observe oxidation reaction. So oxidation reaction, if you see in any species oxidation reaction is occur, you have to wait, then other species is present here for reduction reaction. Wait, I am coming. So sound, television sound come. Yes. like a reaction here. In this reaction, oxidation reaction occurs simultaneously. This fresh chloride gain 2 chlorine.
স্যার ডেফিনেশন কই স্যার?
কি এটা ডেফিনিশন নাই তো।
Yes, sir.
Oxidation reaction occurs simultaneously. Look here, how many here do you know what is charge of iron?
Zero charge.
Here this is not element, here compound. This element charge you don't know. This one, what is the charge? This one, this compound, what is charge here? Iron charge. Very bad. This is
Zero sir.
ferric chloride or fresh chloride. Here iron charge is 2 charge in the above compound, first compound, and second compound iron charge is 3. Don't you know these things? It was actually this compound. We write the compound formula using swap drop method. Like at first this compound, this one was this way. Iron Fe2 was this, and chloride we know Cl minus. Then swap, charge swap. Iron charge is 1 charge. 1 charge will come iron, and iron 2 charge. It come to the this one swapping occur. Swap. These 2 charge come to chlorine, and chloride 1 charge come to iron. So swap occur. Swap. Then drop.
Swap এর বেঙ্গলি মিনিং কি স্যার?
সোয়াপ মানে ইন্টারচেঞ্জ, একটা থেকে এখানে নেওয়া, এখান থেকে এখানে, সোয়াপ করছে। তো ড্রপ করলাম পরে, দেখো তো আসলে আয়রনের চার্জ কত এখানে। এখানে যে কম্পাউন্ডে লেখা হয় আসলে চার্জগুলো সোয়াপ করে লেখা হয়। একটার চার্জ আরেকটার যায়, আরেকটার চার্জ আরেকটার যায়। দেখছো না আয়রনের চার্জ আসলে এখানে কত, ক্লোরাইডে গেছে 2, আসলে আয়রনের চার্জ এখানে ছিল 2। Have you understood now what is the charge here? This ferric chloride iron charge is 3 plus. In fresh chloride iron charge is 2 plus. Have you understood? So here iron charge is iron plus 2 charge. Here iron charge become 3 plus. So charge increases. Is it gain or loss electron? Hello, here iron charge was what? What was iron charge here? 2. Now plus 3. Here loss of electron occur or gain of electron occur?
Gain of electron occur.
Gain of electron occur, তো পজিটিভ চার্জ আরো কমতো। এখানে কি পজিটিভ চার্জ কি হয়েছে, +2 ছিল, এখানে +3 হয়েছে। তো সে কি পজিটিভ গেইন করছে না নেগেটিভ লস করছে? তার যদি সে ইলেকট্রন গেইন করতো, নেগেটিভ পজিটিভ একটা কি খেয়ে ফেলতো, পজিটিভ একটা কি হয়ে যেত, কমে যেত, ঠিক না নি? এখানে সে কি
Yes, sir.
সে কিন্তু একটা নেগেটিভ কিন্তু কি করছে, লস করছে। কি করছে? লস করছে। আমরা তো জানি পজিটিভ চার্জ একটা বাড়লে কেমন হয়, সোডিয়ামের যদি যে থাকে একটা ইলেকট্রন যদি কি করে, একটা ইলেকট্রন যদি লস করে, তার পজিটিভ চার্জ কি বাড়ে। কেন বাড়লো তো বুঝলে তো। এখানে কি আসলে ঘটছে, ইলেকট্রন লস করছে। আগে 2 চার্জ ছিল, এখন কয়টা চার্জ আছে, 3টা চার্জ আছে। ফর দিস রিজন হিয়ার electron loss occur. So here what type reaction occur? Here what type reaction occur?
Oxidation reduction reaction.
না, একটা রিয়েকশন এখানে। এটা গেইন অফ, এইটা থেকে এইটার জেন এসে এটা হচ্ছে কি অক্সাইডেশন। কেন অক্সাইডেশন? এখানে অক্সাইডেশন, এটা কি অক্সাইডেশন। কেন? হাউ মেনি ইলেকট্রন কি করছে, 1 ইলেকট্রন লস, 1 electron. So this is oxidation. And here iron here chloride charge is 0, here is -1. So what happened here? Chloride is oxidation number 0 to -1. So here oxygen electron gain or loss? Gain or loss?
Loss.
আবার বলে দিল, এইটা 4 দেখো 0
Gain,
হইছে,
sir.
0 হইছে, তারপরে -1 হয়ে গেছে এই জায়গায়। -1 হইলে তার একটা নেগেটিভ বাড়ছে, নিশ্চয়ই সে একটা নেগেটিভ গেইন করছে। এখানে সে কি হয়েছে, তো এই জায়গায় কি হয়েছে, গেইন অফ ইলেকট্রন অকার্স। তো এই জায়গায় কি হয়েছে, রিডাকশন হয়েছে। তো in all reaction if you see oxidation occur, you must understand here reduction also will also occur. So gain electron occur, gain 1 electron occur. So reduction, oxidation, reduction reaction occur simultaneously. We have understand gain electron occurs. So oxidation reaction occur, reduction reaction occurs simultaneously. Achha, this is another definition here, redox reaction. This reaction is redox reaction. This reaction is redox reaction. Redox reaction, the reaction in which both oxidation reduction reaction occur is called redox reaction. Here this reaction both oxidation and reduction occur. So this reaction is redox reaction. Redox come from name read come from reduction and ox come from oxidation. So redox means reduction, oxidation. So the reaction in which both simultaneously both oxidation and reduction reaction occur is called redox reaction. Okay, now next topics is reduction half reaction. Okay, this is the redox reaction. The redox reaction. Have you seen this redox reaction? Okay, this here is a two part. One part here is a oxidation part, another part is reduction part.
স্যার প্রথমে তো আমি বললাম স্যার এটা অক্সাইডেশন রিডাকশন রিঅ্যাকশন, আপনি না বললেন অক্সাইডেশন হবে রিডাকশন হবে না।
এটা বলছিলাম নি? আচ্ছা বলে থাকছি, সরি ভুল বলছিলাম। আচ্ছা এখন এসে নি, তো এটা কি অক্সিডেশন রিডাকশন রিঅ্যাকশন।
স্যার
তো এই রিঅ্যাকশনের মধ্যে দেখো কি ছিল, if the part of any redox reaction in which atom or group of atom gain loss electron is called oxidation half reaction. This reaction I take this part, one part here, iron 2 and Fe3 plus, this part uh, 2 plus and become iron 3 plus, this part. So where is what happened in this part? This become 3 oxygen electron gain or loss. Electron gain or loss, loss or gain होगा?
गेन স্যার।
इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन को ले
नो স্যার লস লস।
अच्छा a part the redox the part of redox reaction in which reactant or atom or group of atoms or ions loss electron is called oxidation half reaction, is called oxidation half reaction, is called oxidation half reaction. Okay, the part of reaction in which chemical species loss electron is called reduction oxidation half reaction. Okay, now here in this part the chemical species gain of electrons, so this chemical this part the redox, this part of redox reaction is called this become chloride minus here gain of electron होगा है, gain of electron, but we know chlorine atom is diatomic atom, so it gain 2 electrons and 2 chloride ions it form. Okay, this part is the part of redox reaction in which gain of electron is occur, is called reduction half reaction, it's called reduction half reaction. Okay, thank you for joining today's class. I'll give you assignment this definition.
ওকে স্যার, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Walaikum salam.